quick overview of the user interface. Upon first launching the program, we find none of the familiar landmarks of a 3D application, such as with Maya, Max, or Blender. The black-gray gradient in the middle is our stage, or our workspace. Around the stage, there are several buttons, or options for settings. On the right side, we have some navigation buttons, such as Move, Zoom, Rotate, Frame, or Center. On the left side, we find quite a few brushes. The specification on how each brush should interact with the surface. Alphas that use black and white information to deform the surface. Textures. Textures in conjunction with shaders. Shaders in conjunction with colors. Above the stage, we find some quite crucial brush settings. Like, for instance, intense color vibrancy, we aim to apply. The specific intensity of deformation being undertaken. Including precise direction for guidance clarifies whether adding or subtracting. The exact brush tip size for application and the primary focus area targeted in the endeavor. Above, we'll definitely discover a whole array of key menus. We'll later take a much more detailed look at each one. On the edge, we find these small inconspicuous arrows. When we click on them, we get an additional storage space. We can dock every single menu from up here and work with it comfortably. To remove that docked palette, simply click on this icon and then just release it on the stage. The very same thing can be found on the right side. And at the bottom too. Let's move to the Tool menu. The Tool menu is one of the most crucial menus in ZBrush. Here, we can very easily save projects, also termed as Z tools. Consequently, quickly load. And then quickly import OBJs, and then promptly send them directly to the 3D app via GoZ. To change the standard user interface layout, we have these two buttons up here. Here, we can just click through all the predefined layouts. We also have the option, in the latest ZBrush update, to switch the interface to various languages. For this, we go to the Preference palette, to the sub-item Language. Here, we select the desired language. That was a very quick overview of the ZBrush user interface. Let's now proceed with creating geometry.